What's up everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I am excited to tackle a topic many of you have been asking about, which is how to transfer money from your Affirm account to any of your bank accounts. It's a handy process that we believe you should know. But before we jump into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our contents. But first, ensure you have the Affirm app installed on your mobile device. Okay? All I gotta do is click here, download app, right? Now, log into your Affirm account using your email address or phone number and your password or any other authentication method you usually use. Once inside the app, you look for the withdraw or transfer section. This is where you can initiate the transfer from your Affirm to your bank account. Just a quick reminder, if you haven't already linked your bank account to Affirm, you'll need to do so. Just provide the necessary bank account information, including the account number and routing number. Now, select the amount you want to transfer from your Affirm account to your bank account. Double check to ensure the amount is correct and review the transfer details and confirm the transaction. Affirm will typically ask for a final confirmation before proceeding. And to ensure the transfer security, Affirm may ask you to verify your identity or confirm the transaction using a one-time code sent to your registered email or phone number. And the transfer may take some time to process, really. But once it's complete, check your bank account to confirm that the funds have been successfully deposited. All right? And once you check it, there you have it, guys. You've successfully transferred money from your Affirm account to any of your bank account. It's a straightforward process. With the funds in your bank account, you can use them now as you see fit, whether it's paying bills, making purchases, or saving for future needs. And it's always great to have control over finances, right? And once again, guys, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.